Welcome to Naturally.co Cooking with Tara. Today we're going to make a simple marinara sauce. Normally I would use Roma tomatoes, but I have these beefsteak tomatoes out of my garden. This is my one last harvest for this year, so I just want to use up my tomatoes. I have some cherry tomatoes and then I have my beefsteak tomatoes. So I'm going to take those with some onion, garlic, oregano, and I'm going to just take a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to sprinkle a little olive oil to give it a nice coat. I'm going to cut my tomatoes as well into a little smaller piece so that way they don't explode in my oven. Once I have all my ingredients covered with a little bit of olive oil, I'm going to stick in the oven and roast at 350 for about an hour. So it's been about an hour in my oven, so I'm pulling it out. It's all nice and blistering, so you can roast them a little more if you like, but this is where I'm going to leave off and just pull them out, and I'm going to set aside to cool. Once cool, I'm going to actually just throw it all in a blender and mix it all together. Once everything is mixed well in the blender, this is the perfect time to taste your sauce. If you need to add in any salt, pepper, maybe even more garlic, your favorite spice to spice it up, some crushed red peppers, that's all up to you. And that is my simple and easy marinara sauce for any occasion.